They built system that worked, and they commanded respect across the state. Even Ruto's allies admit privately that Matiang'i's discipline and Uhuru's networks could become a nightmare if they form a political machine again. Mount Kenya leaders loyal to President Ruto are also worried. The region is already restless, and the idea of Uhuru plus Matiang'i working together again is causing anxiety. Huyo ndiye mtu wa kazi, sio mtu wa maneno. And the secret meeting also included discussions about national unity, bringing back Kalonzo Musyoka, Eugene Wamalwa, and both Priva and Rigathi Gachagua into a large opposition alliance. Imagine that lineup. Uhuru Kenyatta as the kingmaker, Matiang'i as the face of reform, Kalonzo Musyoka as the preach builder, and Gachagua as the voice of the mountain. That's a formation President Ruto can't ignore, and he can't defeat it easily. Wengi wanaamini kwamba Uhuru is now playing the long game. Some of Ruto's advisors reportedly advised him to go slow on Fred Matiang'i, fearing that Fred Matiang'i, nitaweza sema kwamba it would make him look weak, and others pushed for more aggression to frame Matiang'i kama project ya Uhuru Kenyatta.